Hello everyone, welcome to the geography class for class 7th. We were doing lesson number 7, Europe, political division and physical features. Topics discussed in previous video. We were discussing the physical features of Europe. In that, we have discussed the Great European Plains. Topics to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, we will be continuing with the physical features of Europe. In that, we will discuss the central plateaus and the southern mountains. Let's start with the introduction of the topic. The central plateau and the southern mountains. The south of the Great European Plains moves in great curve. The central plateau consists of the belts of mountains, hills, and plateaus. The central plateaus are not very high and they are old fall mountains. They are densely covered with forest. Let's read and understand more about the central plateau. Let's continue with the reading. The central plateau. These are made up of remnants of an old mountain system. Here the word remnants mean a part or a quantity that is left after the greater part has been used or destroyed. It is not very high. The central plateau is also called as massif. It is the other name. Massif means a compact group of mountains, especially one that is separated from other groups. These plateaus lie between the Great European Plains and the Alpine Mountains. Students, here you can mark a point, location. These include the Central Massif, the Black Forest in Germany, and the plateaus of Spain. These are the examples of Central Plateau. The journal features of the Central Plateau are: number 1. The maximum height of the Central Plateau do not exceed 1600 meters. Means they are not very high because they are the old fold mountains. Number 2. This is the zone of old and rocky plateaus, mountains, hills which are composed of hard and old rocks. So they are made up of old and hard rocks. Number 3. These are densely covered by forest. Number 4. This region is less densely populated as compared to the Great European Plains. Those plains are more productive as compared to the Central Plateau. Students, plains are suitable for living. It supports agriculture. Fertile soil and flat landforms lead to easy availability of transportation, whereas life in the plateau regions are more difficult due to the high, rugged landforms. The climate of the plateaus do not support the agriculture. Number 5th point, this zone is rich in various minerals. Here the word minerals mean underground wealth. And plateau region, as you know students, the features of plateau is that it is rich in minerals and it is very much famous for mining. Number 6, this region has slopy surface which does not preferably suit agriculture. Some plateaus have steep slopes and some have the gentle slopes. So the slopy surface of the plateau does not support agriculture. The plateau regions are very much suitable for extracting minerals from the earth. Let's continue. The main physical features in these uplands are the Central Massif and Vosges in France, the Harz Mountains, the Black Forest Mountains in Germany, the Liberian Plateau, Spanish Meseta, the Bavarian Plateau, the Ardennes, Belgium, and the Plateau of Bohemia in Czech Republic and Slovak Republic. The Ural Mountains and Russia are also the part of this system. Number H. The inland transport is mainly due to waterways in these highlands. The Rhine and the Rhone are the two most important rivers in this area, which are joined together by a canal. What is canal? Canal is a man-made channel dug to take the river water to the dry areas, which links this zone with the other zones of Europe. These two rivers flow in opposite directions in reference with each other as the river Rhone flows through Lake Geneva, Switzerland, and finally terminates, means drains, in the Mediterranean Sea, whereas the river Rhine flows towards the North Sea. Now, let us read some important facts about these central uplands. Number 1. Vosges is a mountain system of eastern France in Alsace. Number 2. Vesuvius is an active volcano near Naples in southern Italy, which is 1277 meter 4190 feet high. A violent eruption in these mountains in AD 79 buried the towns of Pompeii and Herculaneum. Number 3, Mount Etna is a volcano in eastern Sicily rising to 3323 meter 10,902 feet. It is the highest and the most active volcano in Europe. Now, let us discuss the important copy points that you are going to write on your copy. On the basis of the central uplands, answer the following. Number 1. Location. The central uplands lie between the North European plains and the Alpine mountain system. Number 2. Extension. They extend from the Atlantic coast of Spain in the west through France, Germany, and Poland. Number 3, made up of. These are the broken remains of an old mountain system. Number 4, important plateaus. The important plateaus of this region are number 1, the Meseta in Spain, number 2, the Central Massif and Vosges in France, number 3, the Black Forest in Germany, number 4, plateaus of Bohemia in Czech Republic, number 5, the Ural Mountains. Number 5th point is important rivers. The important rivers are Rhine and Rhone. Number 8, speciality. These uplands are rich in minerals. So students, this is the end of the today's topic. I hope you understood the topic. You are able to solve some exercises by yourself. These are the copy points that you are going to do on your copy. Don't forget to fill the map. You have to fill the map of physical features as well and paste along with the points when you are writing on your copies. I hope you understood and you will do the same. I will come with the next physical features. Thank you. Have a nice day.